Hello and welcome. You're watching Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. These are the headlines for today. BSF personnel planted fruit-bearing saplings in border village Rajai. Explosives, crossbows and arrows found from Bernard's farmhouse. Peddler and policemen caught in drugs dealing. And MLP armed escort brings Bernard back to Tura town. And now the news in detail. As a part of celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, BSF Meghalaya on 28 July 2022 conducted a plantation drive in the bordering areas of southwest Khasi Hills district, Meghalaya. Shri Inderjit Singh Rana, IG BSF Meghalaya, inaugurated the event by planting saplings at the border outpost Rajai. Subsequently, many saplings and fruit-bearing plants were planted by BSF troops in the border area. IG BSF in his speech emphasized the need of realizing the importance of respecting and protecting forest wealth and the rich flora and fauna for the future generations. He appreciated BSF troops for their overwhelming contribution in the plantation drive as an important duty towards Mother Earth. A team of the District Child Protection Unit along with Meghalaya Police went to Rimpu Bagan, the farmhouse of Bernard and Rimpu Marak at Endabari area to collect the clothes and books of the rescued children on July 28th, which were left behind due to police operation. During the exercise, they found one small door-like structure. When the door was broke open, with great shock and dismay, the team found and recovered as many explosives and weapons to the tune of 35 numbers of Gallatin sticks, 100 numbers of detonators, 4 numbers of crossbows and 50 numbers of arrows. All the items were seized in the presence of independent witnesses and shall be produced in the court shortly by the authorities. The recovered explosives and weapons will be added in the charges under Explosive Substances Act 1908 against Bernard and Rimpu Marak, said the statement from district authorities. In continuing campaign against drug menace in the state, Anti-Narcotics Task Force and Lumshnong PS of East Jante Hills District, acting on credible input regarding transportation of contraband items from Assam side, launched an operation on July 27th night, which continued till July 28th afternoon. During the operation, joint team under the leadership of Shri Jason Merom, MPS DSP HQ Clearyat, apprehended one drug peddler, Shri Nisuki War, 29 years of age, of Lamarsyang village, East Jante Hills district. From his possession, 17 boxes of suspected heroin, total weight of 201 grams, 2 mobile phones have been recovered and seized accordingly. On interrogating accused, confessed that one armed branch constable, Tribal Pearl Pasi of District Executive Force, was also arrested for entering into criminal conspiracy, aiding and abetting with the accused person in committing the crime. The case is filed under NDPS Act and investigation is going on. Arrested Bharatiya Janata Party BJP State Vice President and Tura MDC Bernard and Marak was brought back to Tura by Meghalaya Police in the afternoon of July 28th after being granted transit remand by a lower court in Uttar Pradesh on July 27th. The MDC and BJP leader was brought to Tura by armed escort after he landed in Guwahati Airport from Delhi on Thursday morning. He is now being produced before the Court of Judicial Magistrate in Tura, which had issued non-bailable arrest warrant against the saffron leader on July 25th after he failed to surrender for several days after a raid was conducted in his farmhouse, Rimpu Bagan, on July 22nd. He had been found and arrested after issuing countrywide lookout notice. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.